Hi kindergarten boys and girls, it's time for ABC for Kids. Kids ABC education activity. Parent, guardian, please subscribe to this channel and allow your kindergarten, preschool kids to watch our video for kids and to participate in our alphabet and numbers education activities. Here I have the red color, the color orange, the color yellow, the color green, the color blue, and the color purple. These are the 6 colors that I will be using to trace the letters of the alphabet. You can get your sheet of paper, get your markers or your crayons or your paint and your paintbrush, and you can follow along with me as I will be tracing the letters of the alphabet, after which we will discover some exciting words that starts with these letters of the alphabet. So here we go. Let's use the color red to trace the letter A. That's a beautiful color. A. This is the letter A. The letter A. You can start thinking of some words that starts with the letter A. Now we will trace the letter B, and we will be using the orange color. Orange color, and we will trace the letter B. We go around. Learning is fun. That's the letter B. Think of some words that starts with the letter B. We will now trace the letter C, and we will use, what color is this? Do you remember what color it is? Yes, it's the color yellow. It's the color yellow. We use the color yellow for the letter C. Yellow. You can start thinking of some words that starts with the letter C. We will now trace the letter D. Remember, the letter D comes after the letter C, so we will trace the letter D and around we go. The letter D. Think of some words that starts with the letter D. D. What comes after the letter D? The letter E, of course. We will use the blue color to trace the letter E. Down we go, then across we go. Two more times across and we have the letter E. That's the letter E. You can start thinking of some words that starts with the letter E. We have one more letter of the alphabet, and it's the letter F. You're watching ABC for Kids. This is the letter F. Alphabet video for kids. The letter F. Those are some beautiful colors. A, B, C, D, E, F. The letter A makes the sound A. A. The letter B makes the sound B. B. The letter C makes the sound K. K. The letter D makes the sound D. D. The letter E makes the sound E. E. The letter F makes the sound F. F. A is for airship. A is for airship. B is for bus. B is for bus. C is for chicken. C is for chicken. D. D is for dog. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. You guys are smart. You guys are very bright. You guys are great. A, B, C, D, E, F. Please support our channel by subscribing and sharing our videos. You'll help us to continue making more kindergarten kids education videos for kids that will educate your preschool kids and many others. So, click on that subscribe button. Let's make a positive impact in the lives of kids worldwide.